Jengsi kardam kadu kawe karbitis 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do ana fans tamil pen pinila so video long nani to mana ki 1p la bangke APSC pen kapik lang pon avering warsaya puthak sina 1p iklo kon ana post sa vacancy sidoma ka apply ning ji koson ma la pen last date command to ma la so details la bangke kai kia son nali tum na so video long si tag pon long ikpo nali tum na so YouTube channel na anta subscribe kelang pun subscribe ikon pen videos tamil nali tum share pon ikon tangke non pathek pen la APSC pen kapik lang pon avreng warsaya puthak le lang pon lo nang la pen chethan pon lo nang tangke non pathek pen chethan pon lo nang APSC avreng warsaya puthak le nali tum screen along thek pon long ji APSC recruitment 2025 key highlights aputhak dak chethan pon lo nang kicheng sinali tum organization amen la bangkenani tum dak thek pon long ikpo Assam Public Service Commission mate APSC putapupon short form pen the pen job type la bangke Assam government job law la pen post amen la bangkenani tum dak thek long ji inspector of school la pen DEO la pen deputy director apus dak kapek lang pon lo total vacancies nali tum thek long ji dak 7 ando mate bangtroxi aparmando job location nani tum lang lo pulte job location la bangke Assam lo application mode ka apply ning ji la bangke nani tum da online se apply na po last date of apply la ke non ki bang ji 20 March 2025 asi last date lo lason data nani tum screen along thek pon tu long lang Assam Public Service Commission vacancy details la bangke lason lo name of post la bangke nali tum thek tu long ji inspector of school la pen district elementary education officer mate DEO la pen deputy director apos hai hoisi ladak kapik lang pondo number of post la bangke dak 7 ando total number of post la bangke department la pen service la bangke Assam education service sahin pen si department amenol la bangke Assam education service salary nali tum lang dam lo pulte 30,000 pen 1,10,000 anali tum long pon exi grand pay dothlang 14,500 anali tum long pon exi lason data age limit mat arta lang dam lo pulte nali tum thek long ji 21 pen akizum kalide nang ji la pen 38 pen aki ong kalide nang po la pen alang litum da age calculation ponji 0101 2005 pen si age bangke arta la bangke kapang rum ponji educational qualification lang damlo pulotang te mate kachar liang deng lang damlo pulte nalitum theklongji candidate must have kichengsi second class master degree unengji lapen BT mate BEd ana degree bang complete tang nang po lapen additional the candidates should have their either 10 years experience teaching donai school long lapen college long system lapen 10 years at administrative experience including at least 5 years of teaching donengji lapen other criteria of for APSC recruitment la bangke nani tum screen long thek pon long ji citizenship la bangke candidate must be Indian citizen nang po definite under article lapen 5 pen 8 are nothing pen lo lapen residency la bangke nani tum thek pon tu long lang the candidate must a permanent resident of Assam and provide PRC mate permanent resident certificate nangchi laben valid dak employment exchange certificate lata nalitum kenang sod no lason data da age relation ki pipon la bangke SC ST atum upon 5 years lason data dothulang OBC MOBC atum upon 3 years PWBD candidate atum 10 years laben for more details refer to the official notification details penan ki tok pondo notification along mate advertisement alu along so advertisement nili nali tumhana piklang ponik po lapen putha dak ke tok pondo thula employment exchange registration takinang sodlo candidate must be registered in any of the employment exchange in Assam nali tum nahogle registrations tame chokjis tame online pen apply employment exchange nangji employment exchange data chok chedak small family norms mate the soft forms terminally tum dak pen kinang sodlo kipidu nangji mate upload nangji candidate must submit a declaration regarding the small family norms form A at the time of application ke apply hodla soft form manali tum fill up that pen ka upload nangji kinang sod puthon non chethan pon nang application fee kan si kinang jima general category atum 297.20 paisa, OBC atum kinang ji 197.20 paisa, lason atada SC ST BPL PWD candidate atum 47.20 paisa an long pon exi. How to apply for APSC 2025 mate koson si ka apply po APSC la sovereign war sai puthak dak penan pathiek penda ke tok pondo ka apply ning ji a process kicheng sinalitum visit the official APSC recruitment portal mate kicheng sinalitum APSC official website long damnang po labenalitum hoda important web link long ji mate online application form po link long ji hala saling long bernang po lapenalitum number 3 long ke tok pondo fill in your professional and educational details lapenalitum dakpen personal lapen educational details bang fill up dunang po number 4 long ke tok pondo tulang upload your passport size photograph signature and required documents nalitum la dakpen photo lapen signature lapen documents anta kenaso sa documents upload dunang po number 5 long ke tok pondo pay the application fee according to your category mate nalitum category ateng pen ko an ma application fee ki pinang ji la so teng nalitum pinang po number 6 along click on the submit button to complete the application mate nalitum application fee pig that pen submit po arjan theklang ji hodak nalitum submit nang po lapen number 7 long ke tok pondo thulang print your application from the future reference mate nalitum apply that pen acknowledgement kalite la so application na form la bang kenalitum free now dig that nang po important dates dang lang po lo nang is start date of application 21st February 2025 pen si cheng po last date of application 20 March 2025 si last date lo lapen laso article long wang lo po nalitum dak pen important a link long pon exi online application form a link long ji advertisement details lapen small family norms declaration of forms talong ji lapen ladak pen official website seminalitum option long ponji lapen various exam guide PDF ebook downloads taminalitum ladak pen provide pon nalitum PDF ebook nalitum download pon ikmi la sovereign war sai mo exam ki tok jia pon tame ladak ki pipon do tang ne non pathiek pen advertisement alole lang pon lonang nalitum non la screen along thek pon thulong ji Assam Public Service Commission hin pen sovereign war sai ka piklang pondo mate copy over war sai lo pulotang te nalitum labang ke short form and pudam te APSC lapen department nalitum Assam Education Service Department lo Deputy Director under Assam Education Service name of post Inspector of School District Elementary Education Officer lapen Deputy Director lahaya post da ki pi pondo SC ST kan an category atoman kan ana post si ki thak pon mal so puthak sta me dak tok pon lo pay scale grade pay lapen pay ban nalitum kan an mal so details tame tok pon lo candidate atom ko PPC nang kinang ji mal so puthak sta me la dak tok pon do lapen age limit sta me dak tok pon lo last date puthak sta me tok pon lo ko son se ka apply ning ji ko PPC documents upload nang ji lapen kicheng ke apply kicheng command to pen ma last date command to pen ma last date of payment of application la ta kan pen ma lapen kan an se application fee ki pineng jima la so puthak ta dak ki pi pondo lapen how to apply ko son se ka apply ning jima la so puthak sta me la dak tok pono lapen kan ana size si photo ka upload nang ji documents ka upload nang jima nalitum so advertisement alo long thek pon long exi total a process nalitum dak pen thek pon long ji lapen copy ne jong nalitum ke thek the do put da customer numbers tame long ji lapen copy PPC documents nang ji ma total dak ang ton pen la so list long nalitum lang lo put thek pon long po lapen video nalitum share ikon kar biang long ras tame pala iknang lapen pachinik nang lapen konanat si cover malahai puthak tame la dak tok pondo nalitum lang pon ikon so allu abang pinani dak tok ong pick an nase video bang share ikon lapen so YouTube channel nalitum subscribe ikon la son update nalitum kilong wer japan